Hey everyone, welcome to Fan Flag Showcase 10. This is the prompt video where we tell you the rules of the flag design. For this showcase, we want you to create a flag that uses all 6 colors of the standard set and no other colors. The flag can represent pretty much anything you want, just make sure you don't refer to anything controversial or offensive. The 6 colors of the standard set are red, blue, black, green, white and yellow. Your flag must include each one of these colors and not include any other color. Each color must have one shade only. To enter, send your flag image file to flagthisvideos@gmail.com. In the subject line, please use Showcase 10. As well as the flag image file, please include your name or nickname. If you don't want your real name used, then use a nickname. Tell us what your flag represents. Please also include the symbolism of your flag. The closing date for entries is November 11th, 2022. In the next video, we will show you all the qualified entrants, and this video will have a link where you guys will rank each of the flags. In the video after that, we will announce the results and review the winning flag. Here are some quick rules. The flag image must be digital. We will not accept hand-drawn images. Also, please don't include anything controversial or offensive, as those will not be accepted. Also, check out the YouTube contest policies and guidelines in the description of this video. So that's everything you need to know. If you haven't watched it already, go check out our introduction video to this new series where you can find some extra information about the series. The link is in the description. Good luck to everyone and have fun creating your flag. See you guys next time.